In this video, we will guide you to effortlessly manage multiple Roombr accounts. First, let's talk about creating new accounts. There are two ways to do this. Method 1. From your existing Roombr account, go to the user menu and select Create a New Account. It redirects you to the account creation page. Method 2. While logged into any Roombr profile, go to the user menu and select Manage Account. Then click on Create a New Account. Choose Continue with Existing Email to use the same email for multiple accounts. You'll be taken through the regular sign-up process. Now, let's manage your accounts. Go to the Profile drop-down menu and select Manage Account. Here, you can view all your Roombr accounts and your roles in each account. You can delete any account you no longer need by clicking on the Options icon. To switch between accounts, simply click on the Profile drop-down menu and select the account you want to switch to. And there you have it. Managing multiple Roombr accounts has never been easier.
Roombr.